Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Ankara bangle using this rope, Evostic gum, tape rule. We are going to use this Ankara fabric. So pick your tape rule and measure your wrist. This is 9 inches. Yours can be bigger or smaller. So we are going to measure 9 inches out on this rope. I will use this to cut out another one. So this is a 9 inches rope. Now we are going to wrap this with our Ankara fabric. This fabric is length 43 and the width is 1.5. So I'm going to fold ½ inch on one part of the fabric using Evostic gum. So you add gum to one part of the fabric and fold like this. So before we start wrapping our bangle, we have to join this together. I will use candle gum. You have to hold it for some while to stick together. So we'll start wrapping now. I will apply little Evostic gum. Use the edge, the folded edge, to cover this rough edge. That's the essence of folding ½ inch on one part of the fabric. So use your neat edge to cover the rough edge. So we are almost at the end. I'm going to apply gum here and fold this edge also so that we'll have a neat work. So I have also folded this edge just the way I folded this edge so that we'll have neat work. So I'll continue wrapping now. So yeah, basically done. I will cut this excess fabric off. We'll apply gum and fold this edge. Fold this edge and we'll apply gum. You wait for it a little to dry, then you just so this is what our bangle looks like. So guys, we are basically done with the Ankara bangle. Tell me what you feel about this tutorial in the comments section.